49 2nd Street on December 18, 2013, a shooting which resulted in the death of Cristiano Diaz Arias. Over this weekend, 5 individuals have been charged. 2 of those individuals were arraigned at Lowell District Court today. The individuals charged were Jonathan Rivera, who was arraigned in the Lowell District Court today. Mr. Rivera is held on $100,000 cash bail with a GPS house arrest should he make that bail. He'll be returning to the Lowell District Court on March the 5th. The second individual charged is Tarrane, T-A-R-R-A-N-E, Tillis, T-I-L-L-I-S. Mr. Tillis is presently in custody in Utica, New York. He has waived extradition. He'll be returning to Massachusetts in the next few days. Third individual, Dante, D-O-N-T-E, Okawa, O-K-O-W-U-G-A. Mr. Okawa was in court this morning as well. He was held on $200,000 cash bail. He'll be returning to the Lowell District Court on March the 6th. Roberto Lopez Ortiz was also charged. He is presently in custody in Nashua, New Hampshire. He'll be returning in the next few days as well. And Kent Grays, Mr. Grays was charged in connection with the December incident today. He is presently held without bail on unrelated charges. I am joined today by members of the Lowell Police Department as well as members of the State Police assigned to the Middlesex District Attorney's Office. This investigation and the resulting charging decisions over the weekend are the result of a very coordinated law enforcement effort led, as I said, by the Lowell Police and the State Police, but including assistance from the Manchester, Merrimack, and Nashua, New Hampshire's police departments, as well as the Utica, New York police departments. The investigation and the charging of these individuals is an outward indication of our determination to act swiftly and effectively on these cases where the public safety is put at risk by incidents that are occurring, as in this case, in a 6-apartment building located in the city where there are shots fired, individuals sustaining injuries, a number of residents in those buildings. We will be pursuing these cases vigorously. We will, as we did in this case, pursue every investigative lead and ultimately charge individuals in those cases. The public safety cannot be compromised. We're working closely with Lowell and State Police to ensure that that is not the case. And I'm now going to turn it over to Superintendent Taylor.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think this case is a very good example of the cooperative efforts from law enforcement throughout the region. One thing I think the message should go out is that from the City of Lowell perspective and the Lowell Police Department, violence in our community will not be tolerated. We will bring all of the law enforcement resources available to bear against the problem in this city. And I think this is a very good example of that combined and cooperative effort. So I'd like to commend all the officers and agencies involved in this investigation. They did an exceptional job. One other thing I'd like to mention is the community in Lowell that was negatively impacted by this incident, the Centerville section of the city. They were very much in the forefront of this at the beginning. The community came forward, offered any information that they had at the time. So they greatly assisted us in the early efforts in terms of this investigation.